third class science. Today we will discuss muscular system, excretory system and reproductive system. Okay. In previous class we learned circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system. Okay. Today we will discuss the remaining three systems. First here the muscular system. Our muscles along with the bones help the body and its parts to move, and bones attached to the muscles both together join together and help the body its parts to move. Okay, now can understand? We can move with the help of muscles and bones. This is called as muscular system. Okay, next excretory system. The waste product in our body to remove regularly for the body to work smoothly. This is called excretory system. Okay, once again I repeat you excretory system. The waste in the body has to be removed regularly for the body to work smoothly. Okay, here see children. This is the done by the organs of the excretory system. The kidneys remove urine. The skin removes sweat. The lungs throw out carbon dioxide. These three organs are help to the our waste products in our body to remove them. Okay, now kidneys, lungs and skin. Okay, kidneys remove urine, skin removes sweat, lungs remove carbon dioxide. Okay children, next the reproductive system. The organs of this system help to produce babies. Because of this system life on earth goes on. Okay, here say children, once again I repeat you muscular system. Our muscles are along with the bones here like this. Our total body is made up of bones, and bones attached to the muscles. Our muscles along with the bones, these are the muscles. Okay, now these muscles and bones help the body and its parts to move. మన హ్యాండ్ మూవ్ చేయాలన్నా, లెగ్స్ మూవ్ చేయాలన్నా, హెడ్ మూవ్ చేయాలన్నా విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ మజిల్స్. ఓకేనా, ఇట్ ఈస్ అవర్ మస్క్యులర్ సిస్టమ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ excretory system. Waste products in our body to remove regularly for the body to work smoothly. Our organs are the help to remove the waste products. Kidneys remove urine, skin removes sweat, lungs throw out the carbon dioxide. Okay, next reproductive system. Reproductive system means the organ this system has the produce babies. Okay, animals produce babies. Some are the produce eggs. Yes, lay eggs. Okay, now these produce babies. It's called a reproductive system. Okay, this system help to produce the babies, and because of this system life on earth goes on. Okay, let us say it again. The human body works like a machine. The human body is made up of cells, tissues, organs and organ system. Our sense organs tell us about the world. Sense organs work together with the help of brain. Okay, sense organs work together with the help of brain. The various systems help our body to carry our different functions. The various system means reproductive system. These are the various reproductive system help produce babies. Okay, now muscular system help to move. Skeletal system made up of bones. Okay, it gives shape and support to body. Nervous system, it is control our actions. Excretory system remove the waste product. Circulatory system, it through the small and big blood vessels pumps the blood. And digestive system, the food is digestion here. Okay, now and respiratory system, we breathe out impure and breathe in pure. Okay, and has carbon dioxide, purifies our blood. It is the air we breathe out it is a respiratory system. Breathing means our respiratory system, and each one system help one of functions. Yes, and next here see the various systems helps our body to carry out different functions. ఒక్కొక్క system ఒక్కొక్క help చేస్తుంది, ఒక్కొక్క function చేస్తుంది. Okay, now can you understand children? It is our systems. Yes, man, the living missions, our sense organs, respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system, muscular system, excretory system, and reproductive system. These all are the our human body systems, and these all organs are help to the work humans. Okay, children, can you understand? Okay, thank you.